The new car is Dongfeng Motor's strategic new product in 2024. It will be equipped with Dongfeng's independently developed SOA architecture and is expected to adopt 800 V-power. In terms of appearance, the front-end design of EPI 007 is simple and clear. While the closed grille design emphasizes the identity of the electric vehicle, it also makes the entire front of the car look more stylish and younger. There are 104 LEDs in the front headlight set and 230 LEDs in the rear headlight set, and thus it can realize the light language in scenes and modes such as welcoming guests and charging. On the side, the roof of the EPI 007 adopts the fastback shape. This design makes the lines look particularly smooth and is in line with the common design language of existing pure electric cars. The waist part is a full-type design, which not only reveals the beautiful curves on the side of the car body, but also adds a sense of layering to the entire car. Even more surprising is that the new car also offers a version with scissor doors. The new car's body size is 4,880 by 1,895 by 1,460 mm, its wheelbase reaches 2,915 mm, and it has an ultra-low drag coefficient of 0.209 cd. The general style of the interior is simple and bright. It provides configurations such as 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, full LCD instrument panel, hanging central control display and electronic transmission. The center console has a strong sense of layering and is decorated with wood grain panels to make the entire interior space more warm and comfortable. In terms of power performance, the new car is equipped with a 400 kW dual-motor four-wheel drive system that can accelerate from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 3 seconds. In addition, this system has a low energy consumption of 11.9 kWh per 100 km, and the extended range version can reach a range of 1,200 km. In addition, EPI 007 is equipped with SOA architecture independently developed by Dongfeng. Considering its location and possible 200,000 yuan price range, it will be relatively competitive among smart cars at the same level. EPI 007's SOA intelligent cockpit opens 38 service modules, 123 interfaces, and supports more than 300 special scenarios. In addition, the performance advantage of the 8155 chip also makes the smart experience better. In addition, all new cars come with L2+ intelligent driving systems as standard and support on-site memory parking.